Hello. Now let us look at this new question of MCQ for you. All right. I'm Dr. Amit Desai. I'm a surgeon and I take lectures for NEET and FMG. Right. So let us look at this question. The most common thyroid malignancy is, okay, and what are the options that they have given us? They've given us anaplastic carcinoma, follicular carcinoma, medullary carcinoma, and papillary carcinoma. So what is the answer? Now let us see. Okay. Now let us look at something called as Dunhill's classification. Dunhill's classification of thyroid malignancies. All right. So what does he say? Thyroid malignancies or thyroid cancers can be of two types. One, they can be secondary thyroid cancer. All right. That means metastasis, or they can be primary thyroid cancers. Now, if we are dealing with primary thyroid cancers, now these thyroid cancers can be from the lymphoid tissue. They can be from the C cells or parafollicular cells. All right. Or they can be from the epithelial cells. All right. Now, those which are from the epithelial cells can either be poorly differentiated or they can be well differentiated. Okay. And out of the well differentiated, there are two types. One is the papillary thyroid cancer. The other one is follicular thyroid cancer. Right? The poorly differentiated variety is the anaplastic carcinoma. Those arising from the parafollicular cells are the medullary thyroid cancers. And those arising from the lymphoid cells, of course, are lymphomas. All right, so these are the various types of cancers that we see in thyroid. Now, the question that they are asking is, which is the most common thyroid malignancy? Our answer will then be papillary thyroid carcinoma. So, the most common thyroid cancer is papillary thyroid carcinoma. Okay, so let's write over here. Okay, most common thyroid cancer. Any age group, it is papillary thyroid cancer. But if they ask you most common thyroid cancer in the elderly people, those who are above 50 years, then your answer would be lymphoma. Now, if they ask you what is the least common thyroid cancer, now your answer would be anaplastic carcinoma. Suppose if they ask you the thyroid cancer with the best prognosis, then your answer would be papillary carcinoma again. And if they ask you thyroid cancer with the worst prognosis, now your answer would again be anaplastic carcinoma. Okay, so these are certain basic things that we learned about thyroid cancers. All right, now if you have enjoyed this, then please subscribe to our channel. All right, thank you very much. You can press the like button and you can also press the bell icon. Okay, thank you very much for listening to this video. Thank you very much.